Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this in-depth review, we're going to explore and dive into this platform, a streaming platform called Streamlabs. So we're going to explore its features, the pros and cons, and the priced plan for this platform to help you to make an informed decision about this platform, if it is the best platform for you to choose for your stream gaming, online streaming gaming. So to get started, Streamlabs is like a tools box for people who stream their videos or games online. It's a computer software that works on multiple platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook gaming, and others. It's packed with features to make your stream look cool and help you interact with your viewers. And the best part is there's a free version. You can try it out if you want. Whether you are just starting or a seasoned pro, Streamlabs has a software solution to help you grow your channel. It could be your YouTube channel or your Twitch channel. Now, talking about the key features about this, Streamlabs isn't just another streaming tool. It's a powerful house packed with features to make your live stream pop up. Whether you are a new to the game or a seasoned pro, Streamlabs has all the tools you need to engage your audience on a popular streaming platform like Twitch, YouTube, and a Facebook game. It's like a close look at some of these standout features that makes it different from others. So I'm going to take a close look at them. So one of these best features is a stream overlay together with a alert box themes and a studio talk or talk studio, which also helps with a podcast studio as well if you want to make podcast. It doesn't come with a cross lip and a video editor, which help you make a fancy editing on your video using the in-app software and all other key informations like that. So that's one of these features combined together makes this Streamlabs a powerful streaming app compared to other competitors' apps. So I'm talking about the price plan tells with a starter plan and a Streamlabs Ultra. So you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to access the website and check out the price plan to help you decide which plan would be a better option for your streaming features. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thanks.